Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to active Anaconda environment in your operating system using command prompt very easily and some simple steps. You just follow those steps and active your Anaconda environment on your operating system, as well as how to create environment. I will provide you detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, open your terminal here. New tab, and now I activate my upcoming environment. Before activate, how many environments are available here, and check it out. Just like simply type here Conda env.list list. Conda list how many environments are available on Conda using Conda software. So two environments I am creating. One is a NLP and second one is a speech processing. So now how to enter the one particular NLP or speech environments, you just simply type here source activate speech, otherwise you can type here Conda activate speech and enter. So the speech environment is activate here. It's very simple to activate Conda environment using your command prompt. And now how to exit, just simply type here exit and you exit the particular Conda environment and close the tab. It's very simple to activate your Conda environment using your command prompt. So now how to create environment, it's very simple. You just simply type here Conda create -n research rocks and Python 3.2.7. I want create environment name is research rocks, and I want install the particular environment in Python 2.7 or like here 3.6 and then enter. This environment is created here using Python 3.6 Python packages. Yes, install, wait couple of seconds, depend upon your internet speed. Here just very simple to create Conda environment using your command prompt. Past couple of days ago I created one video regarding the how to create environment using Anaconda Navigator software. That one you can do this process using your terminal, and simplest way to access very easily. Just this environment is created, so simply you type here Conda active research rocks, like here Conda active research rocks. So here research rocks environment is created, and then simply deactivate environment. So deactivate, I exit on the particular environment Conda env, enter. So how many environments are available on my operating system? So look at this here, now 3 environments are available on that particular operating system. It's very simple to create environment using your command prompt. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.